Alright, hey guys, it is iGloriaaa and I'm back with another video. Today's video I'm showing you how, let me just shift this wig forward a little bit. Okay, cool. So, alright, cool. So today's video I'm showing you how I achieved this look. I feel like this is probably a bit more curly than the last video, but it's still very cute. This hair is the Her Hair Company Brazilian body wave hair. I believe I have a, I don't know, either way, these, I'll leave like the length I have. I believe it's a 16, 16, 18, 20 inch, 16 closure, 16, 18, 20 bundle, but I'm not sure, but I actually got this hair 3 years ago. That's crazy. I actually got this hair right here 3 years ago. I didn't want to put my fingers through it too much, but doesn't really matter, it's just gonna be bigger. But yeah, this hair is so healthy, so nice, so luscious. I've washed this hair, I've done so much to it. I put heat in this hair. This hair is just, it's a wig actually, as you guys know, it's a wig. I got my wig installed by Tosin Ade. I'll leave her information down below. But yeah, so this hair is really nice. It's very thick hair, and this hair was not sent to me. This video is not sponsored. I just really like this hair. I've decided after 3 years to finally do a braid out on this hair. I usually either wear this hair like in its natural state, or I wear it in straight or curly. So this is what I've done. This hair can hold curls. This hair can be straightened. This is really nice hair. So if you guys would like to check out good quality hair, you should check out Her Hair Company. It is on the pricier side of things, but I feel like you're getting a lot for what you're paying for, because this hair has lasted me 3 years. So just imagine $100 a year. That's all I have to say. This hair is great. I don't have any complaints about this hair at all, actually. This is not the closure actually. So this is an Ali Pearl closure. I'm not a big fan of this Ali Pearl closure. I don't know if it's just the set I got, whether if it's like a discounted closure and it wasn't the best, but I'm not really a big fan of this closure because it doesn't really, compared to like the Her Hair Company, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but this is the closure right here and this is the Her Hair Company hair. It's more full and like, you know what I'm saying, like very natural, and like look at the bottom, the tips. But then this is also a body wave hair, like body wave hair from Ali Pearl, and it's nice. It holds a, well, I won't really say it holds a curl, really. I don't think so, but it still works. It still blends out well. It's a good closure just for a quick, you know, you need a quick closure for your install. But yeah, it's still a good closure. I got my friend Blessing to pluck it down for me a little bit more. So I'll also leave her information down below because she also makes wigs as well. So I would check her information out. But yeah, so let's go into the video. If you would like more hair reviews from me, just let me know, because I kind of like doing things like this. If you guys like this, if you feel like I did a good job at reviewing this hair, then yeah, let me know. I can do more hair reviews for you, because I'm very big on just having good quality hair in my life. But yeah, so let's go into the video. So to start, I've listed all the tools. We're gonna have a comb here. I have my mannequin head. I also have my spray bottle. It's an Mario Badescu spray bottle, but you guys know, you know, tough times, tough measures. You get what I mean. And then we also have our T-pins over here. So we're gonna go ahead and begin. So first I'm gonna start off by pinning my wig to my mannequin head. This mannequin head has suffered. I name my wigs. This wig is named Tiana. She's cute or whatever, you know. Okay, inches. Thank you, thank you. So I'm gonna start off by sectioning off the hair. I'm gonna take a medium-sized piece because I'm gonna aim to make only 4 braids. So I'll spray the section. I'll try to get it as damp as possible, not wet but damp. Okay, so now I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to detangle the hair. Try to be as gentle as possible. What I try to do is hold the hair and then comb as well, so it keeps it from shedding. This hair actually has little to no shedding. So now I'm going to go ahead and braid that section. It's kind of hard to braid this kind of texture, if you know what I mean, but it still worked out. So try to hold it as tight as possible and then go ahead and continue to braid. Taking one piece over the other. I slowed down the clip for you guys to see like real time what I'm doing with and how I'm braiding. Then I'm gonna take a scrunchie, just a regular old random scrunchie. This scrunchie has been through it. And I'm gonna go ahead and tie the tips, the ends, and the knot so the braid can stay put for the next day. And that's that. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue by dividing the section and going through the whole process again. Gonna spray that section, make sure it's a little damp, get the curl pattern out there. I find that when the curl pattern is seen, it makes the braid pattern look better. This is all I use. I only put water in the hair, and I'm combing the section as well. For this kind of hair, one reason why I love her hair company is that I don't need too much product to achieve a great style. All I need is water and a good old comb to detangle and my hands to style. So that's just that. And the hair comes out really nice and soft. I'm braiding it down, spread up this clip, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this hair to the other set. So I'm just gonna tie up the knot as well. Now I'm just speeding up the clips for you guys to see what I'm doing. This hairstyle is a great back to school hairstyle, especially for those who like to wear their wigs and look cute. It's very easy, very quick. I do it the night before and it lasts me legit the whole entire week. So this is me doing the last braid. I sped up this clip because you guys have already seen it. Try to focus on my ends a little bit, and I'm tying it up within the rest of the knot. And I'm gonna leave it like this for the night. So now the next day I put my wig on. Yeah, shift that. Okay, little Bo Peep. All right, okay, girl. Now I'm gonna go ahead and unravel the braids. I try to be very gentle with it so that the texture could come out. Has a lot of volume, well, a lot of texture. It looks very soft. I'm going to speed up the rest of the clip. Look at all that volume. Like, this hair is super thick and the curls came out really, really nice. You would think this was a tighter curl, but this is actually regular old body wave. So I'm just going to shush it with my fingers. And then fix the back, make sure the wig is laid on correct. And that's that. That's the hairstyle. This is a quick back to school hairstyle, quick everyday thing. You don't have to do this braid out all the time because these braids last throughout the week. It's a great protective hairstyle. So yeah, look at all that volume.
It's OVA the creator.
We're back. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this hair. I feel like this is a fun summer look. This has been my go-to summer look ever since I started braiding this wig. But yeah, this hairstyle is also a great protective style for your wigs. But yeah, if you'd like to see more hair videos, please comment down below that you want more hair videos. And awesome, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Check out my discount codes down below. So bye guys, see you in my next video. Really cute, that glow. Shorty in the green, shorty in the green. Okay, bye guys.